Hi there, welcome to or welcome back to Cooking with Bouncy. And again, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. This evening I'm going to do a salmon bite salad. I typically do the salmon bites and we eat it hot with another dish and all that stuff. But tonight we're going to do air fried salmon bites, and then we're going to use that salmon that we cook in the air fryer to put together a salad. So in just a moment I'm going to reposition the camera and let you see the ingredients that's going to go into this delicious salad, and I'll be right back and we'll put it together. Okay, guys, here we go. Again, we're going to do a salad with these salmon bites, and I've got some greens here, if you will, this red and green lettuce, arugula or whatever. I've got some boiled eggs here I'm going to use on that salad as well. I've got some tomatoes here as well. I usually get the red cherries, but we've got these on hand. I'm going to use these as well on the salad. I think I'll put an avocado slices on mine. There are those of us that don't like avocado, and I won't go into that, but I'll be using avocado. You'll see that as well. What I've done with the salmon, excuse me, I've cut my salmon into little squares, which bites, if you will, and I've marinated them. These have been marinating, if you will, for 24 hours or longer, or you can do it just for a matter of hours. You can also put your own marinade. This is Mediterranean marinade that I purchased at my local supermarket, but you can do your own, or just salt and pepper. You don't have to have a specific marinade for your salmon bites. I like it because the flavor just goes through the salmon as well. I've got another one here that I use, a seafood seasoning as well, but again, you can just use salt and pepper. If that be your choice, you can do that too. So in just a moment, I'm going to take these salmon bites, if you will. I'm going to put them on my rack here because they're going to go into the air fryer, and I'm going to be setting the air fryer on air fry for, I think it'll take me to 400 degrees for probably about 10 minutes or so, which is all it's going to take to get these done, okay? And I'll be back in just a little bit. Once I fire this up, I'm going to get them all racked up here, if you will. And then we'll get them in the air fryer, and the next time you see them, they should be about done. We'll see you in Okay, guys, we're back and ready to rock and roll with this salad. It looks absolutely scrumptious. The salmon, I think you can see that. It's cooled down now. It's just warm, and we're going to be putting this warm fish, if you will, on these salads. Again, there are those of us that don't like avocados. You can see that some of us do. That'd be me. And that's what's going to be here. I'm going to be topping this, of course, with the salmon. Here's the other presentation for the other salad as well. Okay. So all we're going to do now then is just put our little salmon bites, if you will, all over the top of this. Guys, I'm telling you, this is amazing. This is just amazing. And really quick. Took 5 minutes for that salmon to get done in the air fryer. And it's perfect. You don't want to overcook your fish either. Under any circumstances, you don't want to do that. So there we go. Guys, listen, if you like what you see, please hit that like button. Let me know that. Tell me what you think as well. Pass this on as you see fit. I said, let me know what you think. And thank you so much once again, guys, for tuning in to Cooking with Pouncy. And I'll see you next time we do a video. As you can tell, I'm rushing now so we can get this done and eat it. There it is, guys, right there. All right. I think you can see that. Okay. It looks good, and it's really, really good, guys. It looks good as well. And, of course, there's the other one. All right. Again, thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you next time. Appreciate it. Thank you. Good night now.